Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be pouring this engine oil stop leak into this Toyota Corolla. The problem is that it's consuming too much oil, and we've got the feeling that it's leaking the oil from somewhere. The product we are using is Lucas engine oil stop leak. It's 946 milliliter, made in USA. Basically it says that the Lucas engine oil stop leak is unique formula of Lucas additives designed to stop all seal leaks in engine. It contains nothing that could be harmful to an engine and can actually extend the life of the engine. So basically this is good for the leak, as well as puffing of white smoke from the tailpipe. Okay, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it nicely. Okay, we're gonna pour into the engine oil, and basically you have to empty the whole bottle. This is a guaranteed product. The way it works is that it reconditions all the seals all around the engine block, and that's how it stops engine leak. This engine has done 129,000 miles. So basically it's the age related issue with the car. There we go friends, I've poured the whole bottle into the engine block, and as I mentioned that by us driving the car for like half an hour, 45 minutes, that's gonna fix the problem. This particular bottle we got it from our local shop for $11.99. There we go friends, that's what I've poured into the engine block. Okay, so this is a guaranteed fix for the oil leak. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.